Imagine earning $40,000 a month by selling digital products you create once and sell forever. Sounds incredible, right? Well, in today's video, I'm breaking down 5 digital products that are making people serious money, and I'll show you exactly how to create and sell them. The first product we're diving into is ebooks. Ebooks have revolutionized the way we consume literature and information. They are convenient, portable, and can be accessed on various devices like tablets, e-readers, and even smartphones. Whether you're an avid reader or an aspiring author, ebooks offer a world of possibilities. Creating your own ebook might seem daunting, but it's more accessible than ever. Here's how you can create and start selling your own ebook. First, you need to brainstorm and come up with a compelling idea. Think about what you're passionate about or what expertise you can share with others. This could be anything from a novel to a how-to guide or even a collection of recipes. Next, pick a niche you're knowledgeable about, like personal finance, fitness, or any other area where you have valuable insights. Choosing a niche helps you target a specific audience and makes your ebook more appealing to potential readers. For instance, if you're well-versed in personal finance, you could write about budgeting, investing, or saving for retirement. If fitness is your forte, consider writing about workout routines, nutrition plans, or mental wellness. Once you've settled on a topic, it's time to start writing. Use free tools like Google Docs to draft your content. Google Docs is great for collaboration if you're working with co-authors or editors. For the design aspect, Canva is an excellent tool for creating professional-looking ebook covers and layouts. A visually appealing cover can make a significant difference in attracting readers. After writing and designing your ebook, the next step is to publish it. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Gumroad make it easy to upload and distribute your ebook to a global audience. These platforms offer various tools to help you format your ebook correctly and optimize it for different devices. Plus, they provide analytics to track your sales and performance. Promotion is key to the success of your ebook. Utilize social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Create engaging posts, share snippets of your ebook, and interact with your followers. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list and send out newsletters to keep your audience informed about your ebook and any upcoming projects. Collaborating with influencers can also boost your visibility and credibility. With the right strategy, ebooks can bring in consistent monthly revenue. Monitor your sales statistics to understand what's working and what's not. Celebrate your successes and learn from any setbacks. Over time, you can build a loyal readership and establish yourself as an authority in your chosen niche. So, start writing, publishing, and promoting your ebook today, and watch your efforts pay off. Online courses are a gold mine in today's digital age. With the rise of the internet and the increasing demand for flexible learning options, more and more people are turning to online courses to gain new skills and knowledge. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or have a passion for teaching, creating an online course can be a lucrative opportunity. If you have expertise to share, you can tap into this growing market. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started on your journey to becoming a successful online course creator. First, choose a topic. Think about the skills people are eager to learn. Popular topics include coding, photography, cooking, digital marketing, personal development, and more. The key is to select a subject that you are passionate about and have substantial knowledge in. For instance, if you are a software developer, you could create a course on coding. If you are a professional photographer, you could teach photography techniques. Or if you are a chef, you could offer cooking classes. The possibilities are endless. Once you have your topic, it's time to create your course content. Use tools like Canva to design engaging slides and Loom to record your screen and create video tutorials. Make sure your content is well structured and easy to follow. After creating your content, upload your course to popular online learning platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. These platforms provide the infrastructure you need to host your course and reach a wide audience. Each platform has its own unique features and audience, so take the time to explore them and choose the one that best fits your needs. To drive traffic to your course, use free marketing channels like YouTube and TikTok. Create engaging content that showcases your expertise and provides value to your audience. This will help you attract potential students and build your brand. High-quality courses can easily bring in $10,000 or more monthly. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable online business. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your online course today and share your expertise with the world. Want recurring income? Memberships are perfect. They provide a steady stream of revenue, allowing you to focus on creating quality content without constantly worrying about where your next paycheck is coming from. Imagine having a community of dedicated followers who are willing to pay for exclusive access to your work. This not only boosts your income but also strengthens your relationship with your audience. Offer exclusive content, such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes footage, or digital templates. These are the kinds of perks that make people feel special and valued. Use platforms like Patreon, Substack, or Kajabi to host your membership. These platforms are designed to make it easy for you to manage your subscribers and deliver content seamlessly. Each of these platforms has its own unique features. Patreon is great for creators who want to offer tiered memberships with different levels of access. Substack is perfect for writers who want to monetize their newsletters. Kajabi is ideal for those who want to create a full-fledged online course or membership site. Price it competitively, $10 to $50 per month, depending on the value you provide. Consider what your audience can afford and what similar creators are charging. You want to find a sweet spot where your pricing is attractive, but also reflects the quality and exclusivity of your content. Build a loyal audience through consistent engagement. Interact with your members regularly through live Quanda sessions, exclusive social media groups, or personalized messages. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to stay subscribed and even recommend your membership to others. Even with just 1,000 members paying $40 per month, you can generate a substantial income. Imagine the possibilities as your membership grows. The key is to keep providing value and nurturing your community. With consistent effort and dedication, you could be celebrating significant earnings. $40,000 a month is just the beginning. The sky's the limit when it comes to subscription-based memberships. So, start building your community today and watch your income soar. Digital templates are easy to create and sell like hotcakes. Here's how. Decide on the type of template: resumes, planners, social media graphics, or business documents. Use Canva or Figma to design them. Sell on Etsy, Creative Market, or your own website. Use SEO and Pinterest to attract buyers. Templates are low effort but high reward products. Got a creative side? Stock media can generate passive income. Take high-quality photos, videos, or create music tracks in popular niches. Upload them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Audio Jungle. Earn royalties every time someone downloads your content. Keep uploading regularly to build a library and increase earnings. This strategy works perfectly for creative individuals. These 5 digital products have the potential to transform your income. Which one will you start with? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more step-by-step strategies. See you in the next video.